Hello po sa lahat and welcome to my video. So today I'll guide you on how to determine and report your correct current annual income on your form I-864 or the affidavit of support. I know this is a topic that often confuses many filers. So one of the common mistakes is that many people think that their current annual income should match with the total income or adjusted gross income on their 1040 tax return, but that's not always the case. So if you change job or have different types of income like social security or pensions, your current income may be different from what's shown on your tax return. So according to USCIS, you need to report your current income before taxes and deductions, not just the taxable amount on your 1040. So in the first part of this video, I'll cover two common scenarios where people are often unsure about how to report their income. These scenarios assume you have the same job and income sources as last year. And if you have a new job this year, you can skip ahead to that section later in the video. Alright, now let's assume this is John's most recent tax return, which is 2023. The question is, what should John report as his total current income on the I-864, given he has a total amount of $50,000 from his W-2, means he is still employed. Also, he is receiving a total amount of $20,000 from his pension, and only $15,000 of it is taxable. And also, he has a social security benefits of $18,000, and the taxable amount is only $9,000. So what is the correct answer? Is it $88,000 or $74,000? So the correct answer should be $88,000. When reporting the total current annual income on the I-864, you should include the full amount of all income sources before taxes and deductions, according to USCIS. So the figure $74,000 represents taxable income from your federal tax return and should be reported in the federal tax section of Form I-864. Now, in this case, this is a common case for everyone where your whole income is fully taxable. For example, this 1040, he has a W-2 income 30,000, the pension received is 15,000, it's fully taxable. The social security benefits, which is 10,000, it's fully taxable. So the total income is 55,000. In this case, you can just follow what's in the total income line. This only applies if you're still working with the same company and earning the same salary. Now, in this third scenario, I have two questions. So looking at James 1040, what is James' total current annual income to report on the I-864? Should it be $20,000 or $28,000? The next question is his income above the poverty guidelines? So the correct answer should be $28,000, and it is above the poverty guidelines for a total household size of 2. Remember, the $20,000 figure on the 1040 reflects taxable income. So for the current annual income, it should be the full amount of your income. Now, if you started a new job during the year and your most recent tax return reflects income from your previous employer, you should use your current income from your new job for the I-864 affidavit of support. This is because the affidavit of support requires you to provide your current financial situation to ensure that you meet the income requirements to support the person you are sponsoring. So you have to make sure that you have a solid proof of your current income, like your payslip, employment letter showing your salary, job title, and employment status if possible. You can also add your bank statement showing your deposited payroll for the last 6 months. So in conclusion, your current income might not be matched the total income on your 1040 tax return all the time because it depends on your new job or different sources of income and their nature. So your current income should reflect all sources. It could be taxable or non-taxable as long as it's the full amount of that income. Alright, so if you have other questions or other case that is not covered in this video, you can always try to message me and I will try my best to help you without any fees. Okay, bye.